Here's a complete guide to managing bookmarks in Helium browser, including how to add, organize, and delete them one by one or multiple bookmarks together. First, let's start with how to add a bookmark. When you're on a page you want to save, go to the address bar and look for the star icon on the right side. Click it, then select Bookmark this page. You can rename the bookmark if you want and choose where to save it, either the Bookmarks bar or simply the Other Bookmarks folder. You also have an option to choose another folder, and you can make specific folders where you can collect bookmarked pages according to a specific topic or interest of yours. Click Done, and your page is saved. Now, to access your bookmarks, open the three-dot menu, go to Bookmarks, and open the Bookmarks Manager. From here, you can see everything you've saved. They are either in the Bookmarks bar or in the Other Bookmarks section in the specific folders you made. To delete a bookmark, simply right-click on it and select Delete. You can also click the three-dot option next to any bookmark and remove it from there. To delete multiple bookmarks at once, go into the Bookmarks Manager, hold Ctrl, and select multiple items you don't need anymore. Then right-click and choose Delete, or use the Delete option from the menu. With clicking on the first and last bookmarks on your list while holding the Shift button, you can select every single bookmark if you want to delete them all together. This is useful if you're cleaning up old or unused bookmarks quickly. Now let's talk about organizing bookmarks. You can also create folders by right-clicking inside the Bookmarks Manager and selecting Add New Folder. Give it a name like Work, Shopping, or Gaming. Then you can drag and drop bookmarks directly into these folders to keep everything organized. You can also rearrange bookmarks or move them between folders anytime by dragging them. If you prefer quick access, you can also keep important bookmarks on the Bookmarks bar at the top. If you don't need it, you can easily hide it by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right, choose Bookmarks, and click Hide Bookmarks bar. You can also hide it with the Ctrl plus Shift plus B key combination. That's it. You now know how to add, delete, bulk remove, and organize bookmarks in Helium browser. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick Helium browser tutorials.